Man, oh man. So we just got back from Tractor Supply. Turns out we're gonna get goats, maybe. So we ended up finding some turkeys. We got white-breasted turkeys, and apparently you can only buy them 4 at a time. We only really wanted 2. Well, the wife didn't want any. I wanted 2. We got 4. So 4 turkeys. Time to set up the brooder. Going into spring, weather's getting better. Chickens don't need the heat lamp in there, so we definitely just stole theirs. Sorry guys. We would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. Join us on our journey of turning this house and land into a homestead. As if my shop wasn't small enough already, we're stealing it for the turkeys now. Let's set this brooder up. Our brooder setup is super simple. It's just 1/8" underlayment plywood, ripped into 4 pieces, and you just cut a notch on each side. You just slide them together, simple as that. These were done on opposite sides, but you could just do it on either side, or one side, and then just place them all together. It doesn't really make a difference. This way is actually kind of a little bit harder to put it together, so let's do that. Simple as that, it's put together. I have some leftover laminate flooring that I'm gonna put in here real fast. If you don't do that, 30 chickens tore up my floor. We're not doing that again. We're gonna put some flooring in there. So my laminate piece was just about 4 feet by 8 feet, so we just ripped it in half. We'll just slide this under right now. It's been sitting under my chicken coop, so it's a little bit dirty, but all set. A little bit of dirt over there. Not gonna do any harm. It'll be perfect. Throw our shavings down, get the heat lamp up, and get these things in here. All right, so we got our plank shavings and some chick starter. Let's get this thing done. This is gonna be more than enough room for 4 turkeys. We're just using this because we had it left over. We had 30 chickens in here. Wow. Make sure you're gentle with them.
Okay, can you go in with them?
Yeah, you can go in.
Daddy, what is this?
Here, give me. Yep. Don't step over there. Here. Let me help you in. You all going in?
Yeah.
Okay. You gotta be careful with them. Weston, you staying out? Hold on, let me get her in. Okay, go to the other side, Weston. Don't put it up there. So I just used some scrap wood to connect it to both sides. It ends up being pretty sturdy, and we can mount our light off here, and we can raise it up and down if need be. Watch out, Wesley.
Watch out, turkeys are coming. Your food.
We are all set up, got our water, food, heat lamp, all ready for them. As you can see, the kids were in there and they made a disaster already, but they're not dumb. They'll figure it out. Nova Pop, what do you think? She's like, no. More birds? What are you guys thinking? Make sure you guys drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button so you can get updates every Friday. See you next time on Break Free Homestead.